how to reinstall the audio driver in Windows 11 and 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reinstall the audio driver in Windows 11 and 10. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, just click on the search box at the bottom in the Windows and here simply type Device Manager. And with that, you can simply click on Device Manager to open it. And now here, once you're inside the Device Manager, you can simply locate the audio drivers. So here, simply find the audio inputs and outputs and simply double click on it to expand. And now here, once you're done with that, you can simply right click on the speaker slash audio device. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just click on update driver. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can simply select browse my computer for drivers and there you can simply click let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and there you can choose the manufacturer driver or the generic audio driver. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on next. And once you do that, Windows will now reinstall the audio driver automatically. And here, once you're done updating the driver and reinstalling it, you can simply restart your PC to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you can reinstall the audio driver in Windows 11 and 10. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.